What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to add a brand logo slider to your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's say you want to add a brand logo slider to your Shopify. So what you want to do first is go to add section, which can be found in your left sidebar. After it, scroll down or search for brand logo slider and then click brand logo slider. Then your brand logo slider section is added. So basically there are some general settings. So if you go to general settings, contain the settings for the styling and layout of the brand logo, simply click on the section to open the settings. So over here, as you can see, we are having some options and the logos per row. You can edit this, how many logos you want to show. You have added more logos than show in the row. It will automatically become a slider example. You're having 8 logos over here and the row is set up on a 5. So basically you can just slide it, and also we are having heading positions, heading size, and so on and so forth. So how to configure it? So by default there are 6 logo images added. You can edit them, remove them, or add more. To edit it, you simply click on the block you want to edit in your sidebar and the left of your screen, and just after you click on the block on the right of your screen, the following sidebar will open, and use .svg format. So upload your file in files in the Shopify admin and paste the URL to the file here, and the picture will appear. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.